Hello and welcome to the first course lecture where we will go over how to install Python and Pycharm on your computer. Our first order of business is to get Python installed on your computer. For that, you need to open your browser of choice and then head on over to the page www.python.org/downloads.
Okay, when you get to that page, you will see a button saying Download Python, and my version of Python is 3.13.1 in my case. So in your case, you will have a different version. If not this one, you should still be able to follow along with the course when you download that particular version. So go ahead and click download here. There's a new version of Python that you would get with the newer version of Python. So you can certainly do that here. Okay, once you start to download Python, you would have the install Python 3.13.1 64-bit. You can read there, select install now. We'll install it to your desktop. Let's give it a moment. Okay, once it is finished downloading once it's finished installing, then you have a few questions that you need to read there about online tutorials, documentations, what's new to Python. You can certainly read that at your leisure. And then you have for the new release, then just close out of that. And then we're going to install Pycharm next. Pycharm is a text editor, or IDE, that you're going to install. And IDE is an integrated development environment. That's what it stands for. So we're going to use Pycharm instead of just a general text editor. Pycharm will have additional features to help you. So we're going to go over to jetbrains.com/Pycharm to install Pycharm, so that when you're entering your lines of code and you receive an error message, you're able to address it. So let's install Pycharm. Okay, type in www.jetbrains.com/Pycharm. You're going to select the price button from the menu, the top menu, and then you're going to see the entry for students and teachers. So you can learn more about that. What you're going to do is submit your email address to the JetBrains community so you can download the community version of Pycharm. Now there is a professional version that's absolutely free, but this community version, you can certainly enter your official university email address, of course. They will respond to you with the community version. And if they don't respond in a timely manner, then you're going to have to traverse over to the professional version, which they will give you 30 days free when you return to the front page of Pycharm Professional. So there's the Python IDE for Profession. And you would only need the professional. You don't need it for this course, the professional version of Pycharm. You only need it if you're going to develop a web page, a web application, or do any web development there. So the professional version is only for that. But you just need the community version to complete all of the assignments within our course this semester. I'd like to reiterate that you can use both versions to complete all of the assignments in the course. Okay, we're going to go over to Pycharm. We're going to hit download, and then we're going to go to the open dialog box where it says your welcome dialog box for Pycharm. Then we're going to select next. There is the default folder for the destination for Pycharm. We're going to select next. And then we're going to select the radio button for Pycharm. And then we're going to select the radio button for Create Association. See the button for Create Association. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to hit next. And then we're going to select install. I will pause the video momentarily until we complete the installation. Okay, we're at the end of installing Pycharm, the IDE for our development environment. Okay, all right. And then we're going to select Run Pycharm. And we finish. You've completed the first step in installing Python and Pycharm. Thank you.